My hobby.
Now let's look and let's answer. Do you have your pen?
No.
No. How about your hand?
Yes.
Okay. Now here, who is feeding the animal? Can you circle the picture? Feeding the animal.
The farmer.
Yay! They are feeding the animals. Who is singing?
Singing.
Singing. Where are you singing?
The girl is singing.
Where? Oh? Are you sure? I don't think so. One more try. Singing. I see singing. Yes, very great. And the last one. What do you like doing, Gracie?
I like make the snowman.
You like making the snowman. Oh, me too. But here we don't have snow.
Very hot.
It's very hot today. Oh my God. Very hot today. Good job there.
Who is feeding the animal? Who is feeding the animal? Wow, very good. Yay! Woohoo! All right. Now, Jim, do you like animals?
Yes.
What is your favorite animal, Jim?
Rabbit. I like rabbit.
I like rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay, so I think I can be a rabbit for you. Okay, look at teacher. Dun da da dan. Ba-bam. What's this?
Rabbit.
What is
Rabbit.
this? Do you like it? Do you like it? I think it's ugly rabbit. Do you still like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so
Yes, I like it.
I'm teacher rabbit. Okay, and okay, I'm back. So let me be a rabbit teacher. Okay, so hold on. All right, so now teacher is a rabbit. Do you have a rabbit, Jim? Do you have a rabbit at home?
你家里有吗？ No.
No, I haven't.
Okay, all right. So how about this one? Who is singing? Wow, that's nice. Do you like singing? Yes?
Yes,
Yes, you like? Oh, okay. So let's sing a song. Okay? Let's sing a song. You know, 我们一起小喵叫，一起喵喵喵喵喵。Do you know that song?
我们一起学猫叫，一起喵喵喵喵喵。你不要唱了。
Do you know that song? Yes?
Yes.
You know that? Yes?
我们一起学猫叫，一起喵喵喵喵喵。
Good job. Very good. That's right. Okay, thank you for singing. That's the cat. Mau mau mau. Okay, now my dear. Okay, among these hobbies, can you tell teacher which one or what do you like doing? Among these hobbies here, which one do you like here?
你现在干什么？上课的是哪一个
Mm-hmm.
？No。你喜欢干什么？这里边哪一个？
Which one do you like there? What do you like doing? Wow, what is that? What's that?
Favorite.
It's
Travel.
travel. Okay, can you say it again? Travel.
Travel.
Yes, can you say traveling?
Traveling.
I like traveling.
I like traveling.
Very good. Okay, did you travel to other countries? Did you travel to abroad, other countries like Japan, America,
世
Canada?
界国家。
Have you traveled to other countries before? Yes? Have you ever been to other countries?
你去过哪些国家？没有就 sorry。
No.
No, okay, that's okay. So, if you are going to travel today, where do you want to go? If you're going to travel, where do you want to go?
I want to go. I want to go Beijing.
Beijing. I want to go to Beijing.
I want to go to Beijing.
Wow, 为什么 Beijing? 为什么 Beijing? 什么？为什么 Beijing? Why
为什
Beijing?
么？北京是我们的首
What do you
都。
want to go there? Why? Do you want to go to how do you
I
call
like
it? Again, Shanma?
I like it.
Oh, because you like it. Wow. I want to go to Beijing too. Very good. All right. So next one.